They got means their women got in 1971 right to vote or to cast their vote, but we didn't have that. We are talking about the first election, the first successful election after the colonial period, after Britishers left us inappropriate, incapable to do so many things, but we did it. We rocked it, and we are obliged to that thing. We are obliged to process. So what is that saying? That in 1971 Switzerland got, but we had that adult franchise since the first election. It's mentioned in not just in draft but then later on in Indian Constitution. That all those who are turning 21 at that time, I told you already, and 18 these days. So let's say for example you are 17, 18 or something, you are 14, 15, 17, 18 something. You are able to cast your vote. Doesn't matter which state you are from, which color you have, skin color, which culture you belong, doesn't matter. You will cast your vote. You will participate directly in your democracy. For the central government, for the regional government. Okay. The first elections were difficult because of the social